The final trade restrictions on Myanmar were lifted by the outgoing US President's government in October 2016, marking the final step in the years-long rehabilitation for the previously isolated country. Nyo Myint, Senior Managing Director of KBZ Group, joins me now. What does this last change signal for Myanmar's economy and industry?
It's definitely great news to our Myanmar economy. Since the country started opening in 2010, we have seen increased foreign direct investments flow from Asia as well as the EU, whereas US companies and banks have remained cautious. But the ending most of the remaining sanctions has cleared the way for them to invest and trade more with Myanmar, and for Myanmar companies to do business with US companies.
KBZ Bank controls more than 40% of the retail and commercial banking space in Myanmar. So which industries are growing and attracting foreign investment?
Myanmar is still an untapped economy, so therefore there's abundant opportunities for investors in multi-sectors. Myanmar has a population of about 51 million, with the majority aged under 30. And labor cost is still competitive. Many manufacturing companies shift their operations from China and Vietnam into Myanmar. Food and beverages industries has also taken off in the last few years. And Myanmar tourism sector also very attractive. The number of inbound tourists grew 20% in the past years. There are a lot of opportunities for opening of the hotels and many other services related to tourism sector.
Now on the retail banking side, how much work needs to be done to reach the currently unbanked population?
KBZ holds very much reaching our unbanked population a major priority. We have already opened more than 400 new bricks and mortar branches in the last 4 years and have been able to reach towns and cities where no previous banking services were available. Physical bricks and mortar branch expansion is very much needed to develop trust in the banking sector. KBZ is also focusing in the expanded payment systems such as various cards through ATM and point of sales. We are also now in the process of partnering with a big telco company to launch a mobile money platform to reach more customers and to provide services to unbanked populations.
You're also reaching out to aid the Myanmar with your Brighter Future Foundation. What kinds of work are you doing?
The foundation focuses in 5 areas of social commitment: disaster relief and recovery assistance, women and environment, education, community and culture. The notable projects are one water project where a large number of tube wells have been drilled to supply water in the drought area, and disaster relief and recovery efforts throughout the country. Total contributions for all above initiatives has reached more than $110 million.
You've previously talked about the human resources challenge that Myanmar's banks are facing. How's that developing?
There are still challenges in human resources. We addressed by strengthening our own internal staff development programs. We have 2 dedicated training facilities to provide in-depth training to our new recruits and develop existing staff. We have also partnered with multiple universities in Yangon for an internship program that provide final year students practical experience in banking before they complete their studies. We are always on the lookout for top international talents and Myanmar citizens living abroad to come back and join our KBZ for a contribution back to their motherlands.
Projected growth for Myanmar is 8 to 10% for the next 5 years. So what are your personal hopes for the country?
I believe we can make a leapfrog success in the national development. The NLD political party, led by Dr. Aung San Suu Kyi, had achieved the landslide victory in the previous general elections. That means the government had the full trust from the majority of the people, and the peace agreement is now well undergoing. As to me, I believe we can regain our preeminence in the regions and be leading light once again.
Nyo Myint, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. You can find out more about Myanmar's financial services at worldfinance.com. And please subscribe for more stories from Southeast Asia, as well as all the latest insights from World Finance.